Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Android phone or your Samsung phone if you forgot the password. So the first thing is we want to turn it off. So I'm going to hold down the power button right here and then go to power off. Now, if you don't have this option because you can't log in because you forgot the passkey or something, just hold down the power button and then the volume down key, and this will force turn it off and it will restart. But before the screen kicks back on, you just simply want to switch from the power button and the volume down button to the power button, the volume up button, and then the Bixby button. I'll show you how to do that now, but it's just easier to demonstrate powering it off completely. So once it's completely turned off, the screen goes black. Hold down the power button, Bixby button, and the volume up key. So let's hold all three of these down and this will launch into the recovery mode. Now you can do this after a forced turn off. So let's just hold all three of these buttons down and then you'll see the boot logo. Continue to hold it down until that goes away. So you can see that on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and let go now. Alright, now you can use the volume up button and the volume down button and then press the power button to select the different options. So let's go on down to where it says wipe data and then press the power button. And if your phone is going to reset, make sure you go ahead and just save anything that you want. You're going to have to sign back in with your email address and password. You could try plugging your phone into the computer and copying the files from there. And then you don't have to worry about losing your photos at least. But just press the power button right here and then you should be able to select it. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.